How to check your GPU temperature on your Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can check your GPU's temperature. Now, before we start, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. First of all, head over to your search bar and search for Task Manager. After you search for Task Manager, simply hit enter and open it up. Now after you open it up, you will see the three lines here. Tap on it and make sure these bars appear. Now under these bars, you will see a lot of settings. The one you want to go to is performance. Now here we will be checking the performance. Now you will see your CPU, memory, disk, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and GPU. Now if you scroll down, if you see down under GPU, you will see under here the temperature. Now as you can see it right here, it's fluctuating between 47 and 46 degrees Celsius. Now you can tap on it and open it up right here as I just did, and you will see the temperature here again. So yeah, that is basically how you can check your GPU's temperature. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.